Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, stability control, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, backup camera. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.